Hello all traders! In this video, we would like to share with you an overview of trading success facts and how the success rate in trading stands compared to other high-paid professions. Traders are often unaware of the time and the progress they make to become professional in the market. If you look at the statistics provided by Peter Davis from Jigsaw Trading Group in 2018, you'll see these interesting facts. Majority spent a lot of time trading in the market, ranging from 5 to 10 years. Many traders change their methods between 2 to 10 times. About 77% of these traders are unaware of their performance because they never bother to measure it. And yet, more than 80% of these aspiring traders are still not profitable trading in the market. This is consistent with the long-term studies, which followed the success rate of a large number of traders. About 40% of traders lose money during the first month, and 80% quit during the first 2 years. After 5 years, 95% of traders quit trading, and only about 5% remain consistently profitable. These 5% of traders make a fortune in the market for many years. That proves that it's possible to achieve a top professional level and that the market isn't rigged. This is a high percent rate of success amongst professionals. The odds of reaching an expert, high-paid level in many professional fields, as you can see, is less than 0.1%. This information attracted scientists who were interested in the field of developing experts for over 2 decades. They studied top traders to understand: who are these people? What knowledge and experience do they have? What trading system do they use? And what are their success secrets? Our observation of successful traders and our extensive personal experiences in training and coaching gave us important clues about the path of success in trading. We have found 3 major characteristics in people who have turned themselves from aspiring to successful, inspiring traders. The most important characteristic is following the cycle of excellence and becoming engaged in deliberate practice. The cycle of excellence has significant impact in improving effectiveness in professionals, including executives, musicians, and physicians. It explains that top performers aren't born but made. Just spending time alone on a subject is not enough for mastery. Success relies on deliberate practice, constant corrective feedback, and a supportive coaching system. If you want to learn more, please click on the next video, which will explain these new exciting discoveries in detail.